Today we are going to learn how to make multipurpose stand. So first, take a sheet of paper and roll it out. Then stick some glue and your roll is ready. Now like this you have to make many rolls. Now after that you have to do the same with blue paper. Nextly, take a plastic bottle which is easily available in our houses. Then cut the upper part and take out the label. During this step, we have to take a sheet of paper and stick all the rolls on it and then stick the paper on the plastic bottle. After that, we are going to stick the blue paper rolls on a plain sheet. Cut it according shown in the video. Both parts are ready. Now I am decorating it with some roses. First, here I have stick one rose, then I have made two hearts and then pasted one in the middle. Now paste it. Then here I have taken a color tape. You can use any decoration of your choice. Now our multipurpose stand is ready. Now we can make it with another way. Now stick a flower on top of it. If you want to know how we made this flower, you can check out the link in the description. Now paste a heart in the middle. Now our beautiful pen stand is ready. These are the 3 ways we can make it. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.